Well, how y'all doing on today, everybody? Yes. I'm so glad you came. Welcome back, and welcome on in, new subscribers. Y'all hit the notification bell so you can get the videos. If everyone's not seeing the videos, yeah, but you gotta hit that little bell under the description, and then it'll activate that algorithm so it can get to you and notify you every time we come on. So I missed y'all, but we've been putting some shorts out of some good little recipes we already cooked, and today we got a taste for chicken Alfredo again, y'all. So that's what we'll be cooking. And I'm just trying to show you what we're going to be using here. There's some heavy whipping cream, got some Parmesan cheese, some chives. I've got my butter here, my garlic powder, seasoning salt, Lori seasoning salt, black pepper. I'm going to use fettuccine for the noodles. You can use what you have, penne, pasta, whatever. And I got a small bowl of peas. I always add peas to mine. It's optional. It's not something you have to have. It's what I like in them. And we like the peas in there. I think you will too if you try it. So I'm going to get my chicken all together. And the pieces that were just a boneless chicken breast, and the ones that were thick, I took my knife and cut down the middle to so my meat's not too thick. So you don't want your chicken too thick for this dish. And myself, I cut off all the funny parts, all the cartilage and fat and all that. I don't want that. I'm just going to discard that. And so I'm using Lori's to season. I'm going to do some garlic powder. And a little dusting of black pepper. Try to do it as light as I can. And we'll do the other side the same. Oh, the grill's all nice and hot. Chicken's all seasoned and ready. Just gonna add the olive oil onto the grill. Put the chicken to grilling. I'm using fettuccine. You can use linguine, fettuccine, bow tie pasta, penne, mini penne. You can even use spaghetti if that's all you have. That's all you have, that's all you have. I like to break mine in half. It's easier to eat, but you can leave it the long way. Good. All good. Okay, let's stir that up. Just stir and separate them. boil loosely. I'm just going to turn my chicken breast over, and as you'll see me just keep poking air into it so that it flattens, it swells on when you start grilling. So the way to flatten it is let the air smelling good. It's a very easy dish if you think about it. Once you get the hang of it, it's easy. It's a good dish to learn how to make because you always have something for casual or special occasions. It's also a good wedding dish if you're giving a small wedding or the wedding party or something. Chicken Alfredo. Eyeballing my sauce, I'm using heavy whipping cream for my Alfredo sauce. So I'm just going to eyeball what I'm putting in there. I wish I could tell you, but it's probably going to be maybe about 2.5 cups, maybe 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. And real butter, and you use what you like. I like to use real butter. Now I want to season that. I'm going to put Lorry's. I'm going to use garlic powder. A little light dusting of that black pepper. Stir that around. I'm going to add the rest of my cream in. Have enough to cover all this chicken and noodles that's coming in. So this is a 32 fluid ounce package. So just say if you're making this amount, I don't know how much you're going to make. Making smaller amount, go in half of this. This is a full 32 ounce bottle. I'm going to go get my Parmesan cheese in, grate it. I'm going to finger taste my sauce. Oh, that's delicious. My God, it's delicious, y'all. Chicken's coming along great. Look at that beautiful chicken. I'm gonna add put some sweet peas in there. That's optional, but you'll like it. Beautiful sauce. Look at that, y'all. That's delicious. Tastes good. And we'll wait on these noodles to be strained. Hey, y'all, I like to stack my chicken breasts up so that I can cut more at a time. Get you a good sharp knife for the job. Some nice big strips. Or how you like them. You like whole pieces in there? Get a few chunks. But anyway, we're going to cut this all up and here. Cut it all up and get it into the sauce and noodles. Okay, y'all, look at that beautiful cut up grilled chicken. Look at that. What do you think? Now let's add it into this beautiful dish.
Great.
Full of chicken and beautiful creamy Alfredo noodles, y'all. Look at that. Comment who's going to make the dish. Like, share, and subscribe. Hype the video. If you see hype under the description, click that button and hype as many times as you can and help us to grow. And you're a part of the family. We grow, you grow with us. There, full of chicken. Oh, that delicious cream sauce. Hey. And there's your chicken Alfredo. Now we'll make the first plate. Okay, y'all, look at that beautiful cut up grilled chicken. Look at that. What do you think? Now let's add it into this beautiful dish.
Great.
Full of chicken and beautiful creamy Alfredo noodles, y'all. Look at that. Comment who's going to make the dish. Like, share, and subscribe. Hype the video. If you see hype under the description, click that button and hype as many times as you can and help us to grow. And you're a part of the family. We grow, you grow with us. There, full of chicken. Oh, that delicious cream sauce. Hey. And there's your chicken Alfredo.